Hey everyone, hope you are well. How many of you have been asked by recruiters, either on a call or on portals like IIM Jobs, to make a video resume as a first round? Now, though some of you might not consider this a big deal, and it is not, but the question to ask is, why are we being asked to do this? Is it adding any value? Is it even fair to the candidates? Let's take IIM Jobs as an example. Next time when you go to IIM Jobs and apply to various openings, take into consideration the average number of applicants for a single job opening. Now let me raise you another question. How long do you think a recruiter takes to view your resume? I don't think it is more than a minute. And this is not for all the applicants. These days, job portals or internal HR systems have filter options. So let's say there are 1,000 applicants. By applying certain filters on skills and experience, HRs reduce these 1,000 applicants to 50 candidates, which the talent acquisition or recruiter spend around a single minute on each of these 50 candidates, if not less. Now you tell me, when the HR folks have so much dearth of time to review each applicant, do you seriously think they will go to 1,000 plus applicant resume, and that too in the form of videos? No matter what anyone says, I don't believe this. Secondly, let's consider if it is fair to ask the candidate through a job portal or through a phone call to invest their time in making a video. If you are calling the candidate anyway, I don't understand any difference between evaluating a candidate through a video or on a call as compared to a personal video resume. I don't think it makes any sense whatsoever. Some HR folks may tell you that it helps to evaluate the personality and the communication, but then again, why do we need to evaluate the same through videos? Let's say post you join the company. Will communication be done on phone or Google meetings, or will people share their videos to each other? Furthermore, what right does any company or any HR have to ask you to invest your time? Did they ever share a video of the job role with you, explained directly from the hiring manager, explained directly from the horse's mouth? If the companies are not willing to make a single video for all the 1,000 applicants combined, how can they expect 1,000 videos for one job opening for one hiring manager? Please introspect. This might be telling you something about the culture of the company, and in my opinion, you are better off without it. Thanks everyone, and have a nice day ahead.